Hi everyone, this is Connie AZ21. We're going to do a little dot mandala on this little stone. And we are going to start with, I believe I'm going to use the vanilla ice cream tonight. Let's see, now we're going to walk a couple of dots. I'm going to start with vanilla ice cream. One little bit bigger one on each one. I decided to add a little bit of more of the vanilla ice cream. There we go. Now I got it. Back in a bit. Okay, we're back. Got everything's all dry and ready to go. We're going to put our top coat on now. Focusing, there we go. Oh, that looks so much nicer. Anyway, we're going to finish the back. Okay, we've got the dotting done around Arizona. I'm going to let those dry, and then I'm going to sign it up. Ready? Right there. That is about where we're located. The only thing left to do is put the sealer on the back. This is Connie AZ21. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, I hope you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. It would be fabulous. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful evening. More to come. Bye.